guys, good morning. I'm gonna be working on the Miata today. Don't mind the dogs, she's barky. We're gonna go play with her for a minute, get some of the energy out of the doggies, and then I can go and work on the car today. Come here, guys. Look at them running around. Hi, babe. What's up? Back in the garage here. Thomas Miata, and we're gonna be working on the Miata. Sorry it's been so long. I've been doing a lot of other stuff. Have you seen? If you haven't seen, go check out my other videos. But we're gonna get right to this. I've got a time lapse set up already. I've got this suction cup mount so I can mount the camera right to the car. All right, I'm gonna start cutting this car, welding it, go from there, step by step. Get to it. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I've cut the fender already, and now I'm gonna take the grinder with a wire wheel, get down to some metal, something I can weld to so I can attach to something. Time lapse is still going, just figured I'd give you a check-in. And now I'm gonna start welding it to the car. Hey, time for an update. Got the welds done. You know, nice and pretty stuff. Got Brittany in here and we're gonna go get some dinner. Take a break, smoke will die down in here. The AC will cool it down in here, and then I'll be back and work on it later.
2 hours later.
Lunch/dinner was good. I'm gonna get back to it. I think I'm gonna work on the front end. We'll see, maybe I'll take the doors off. I am at a good breaking point here. I got the red door on and I have bolted the front dash bar assembly back onto the car temporarily. As you can see, it's quite bent. My plan is to cut the welds and then I'll pull it this way. I'll just basically cut this thing up, put it back to where I need to go, and then weld it back in place. Oh, my radiator, shit. I just poked a hole in my radiator. Sweet. Well, it's not the right way to do it, but you can use some JB Weld Quick and slather it over your cleaned area. I just sprayed some brake clean on it. You want to make sure you get this nice down and into the fins really deep. This is definitely a temporary fix. I don't have enough time to get another radiator in this thing before the event. Well, it's pretty close and it's pretty awesome. I think what I'm gonna do next is throw the fenders on and see where things line up. Maybe I'll just go ahead and weld this. It's not in a bad spot. Pretty cool. Got a lot done on the car today. So we were able to complete the entire front end, get a lot of the back end done, got the passenger door hung, got a lot more work to do tomorrow. I need to get this video out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Subscribe, press the notification bell, and the biggest one, please share the video, guys. No one's gonna see this thing if you don't put it in front of their face. Also, guys, I'll be dropping my videos Monday at 11 a.m. and I'll have supplemental videos in between that. All right, cool. See you on the next one.